Here we have a Schoology test quiz. I'm going to add a question to show you how you can add math to the question and the answer. Because EquatIO is a Google Chrome extension, I can launch it from any web page. So you can see my EquatIO menu bar popped up here. I'm going to open the equation editor and I can start typing my math. I want to type 2x squared, so if I type the word squared, it will pop up and populate for me. If I want to solve the math, I can actually hit enter to go to a new line. And if I want to copy a line to make it easier to do the math, I do Control-Shift-Enter. I can continue to hit enter or Control-Shift-Enter and solve the equation. If I continue to hit enter, you'll notice that I'm losing the information from the top. If I want to continue to see that, I can just drag up the editor. Once I have done the math, I want to insert it into the document. The very first time you insert math when you are first using EquatIO, you'll see it looks like this. You want to choose image, and it says it's added to your clipboard, and you can paste it in with Control-V, and we don't need to see that message again. Once we do that, these other options, edit math and insert math, will be available, and we want to choose insert math. So the beauty of EquatIO is that this looks like an image, but really it's editable. So for instance, if I made a mistake, I can click Edit Math, and I can go back and change anything in here and insert it again, and it will change it for me. You'll notice I just changed that to a 6, and it did change. With the answer choices, the only difference is that you can't type the math in this white box. You actually need to click here in the editor and then do the math. So I'm going to clear out what I had before. This is not an actual answer to this question, but I just want to show you. If I want to say that the answer is 3y cubed, I do that and I click Insert Math, and then there we go. It's going to enter that as my answer choice. We saw a little bit of the prediction that EquatIO offers when I tried to type in squared or cubed. Let's look at a little bit more. Clear out what I had before. If I want to type any formula, I just start typing the words and it will come up. There's parallel. What about the area of a trapezoid? If I start typing area, I get all the area formulas. How about a chemical formula, acetate? Start typing the words and it populates. There's a different theorem, even things like Newton's laws. So any of these formulas, you can start typing the words and it will use prediction to try to figure out what you're talking about. Once you have the formula, you can go in and change the numbers or add and take away things as you would like. A couple other things on the menu that you just might want to use. You can insert just regular text, can highlight things and color them if you would like to. Maybe you're doing an answer and you want to highlight it in red. You can also go to this More button, and all of the formulas that we just looked at are actually in here. So if you wanted to put that formula in, you could click there. You can also see formulas here or search them, and we have even more formulas here. You can also heart certain things if you use them a lot, and they'll be in your favorites, and then it's much easier to insert them. Once you get all of the math inserted into this white box, as always, you just click Insert up here, and again, you can edit that to change anything that you want. If you want to start over, you just clear it out, and then you start typing whatever math you need and insert again.